Hello everyone, welcome to my iTech Hub YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about after updating iOS 16.4 iPhone system data stuck at loading. So lot of iPhone users are complaining about iPhone system data stuck at loading. So how to fix it? So in this full video we will see how to fix this issue. Here's the system data of your iPhone you will find in iPhone storage. So now let's get started. Here are some solutions to fix this issue. Okay, so first solution is force restart your iPhone. Now to force restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. And if you are on the latest iPhones, then please also press volume down button. So that is how you can force restart your iPhone, by pressing and hold the power button and home button and also volume down button. While doing the force restart your iPhone, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and then try restarting the device again. Now the second solution is to turn off your iPhone and then turn it on. So to turn off your iPhone, first of all go to Settings app on your iPhone, then go to General, and here scrolling down and tap on Shutdown, then slide to power off your iPhone. Enter your passcode and do the next steps. Next we will see third solution, and the third solution is reset network settings. To reset network settings on your iPhone, first of all launch the Settings app on your device, then here tap on General, now scrolling down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then again tap on Reset Network Settings, then enter your passcode and again tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm this. So that is how easily you can reset network settings on your iPhone. Next and fourth solution is software update. So yeah, you can also try updating your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. To update the latest version, first of all go to Settings, then here tap on General, next tap on Software Update. Here you have to simply check that if there's any update available, then update to the latest version. So that is how you can update the latest version of your iPhone. Now the next solution is to factory reset your iPhone. Now open the Settings app, then here tap on General, and you're scrolling down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Erase all content and settings. Now here tap Continue and do the next process. Simply follow the next steps to factory reset your iPhone. So that's how easily you can fix the issue after updating iOS 16.4 iPhone system data stuck at loading. I hope this video is very helpful for you all, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.